we've finished this project 2 weeks ahead of schedule. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover, and we're coming to you from Carrigaline. Transforming 3-bed semi-Ds have become a speciality of Sigma Homes, and this house is no different. We've built on a 20 square metre extension, and you'll be amazed at what a difference it's made. The last time you were here, we were in the middle of construction. The Sigma team have made incredible progress in this project. Behind us is where we're going to have our new kitchen. This is the new layout for our dining. Overhead, we've got this stunning Velux, but this project is just at the halfway mark. All the construction work, all the first fixes are just completed. We're now moving into the second half. This is where we're going to carry out all our tiling, all our painting, kitchens, and all the finishing details. This is the point where this project could be won or lost. And today, Sigma Homes, 2 weeks ahead of schedule, have crossed that finishing line. Behind us, we've got this stunning kitchen, and the kitchen is the heart of every home. It's right here. We've got our gas hob. The food will taste amazing. On the island, we've got this deep sink with a big extendable hose. Last, but certainly not least, is this beautiful stone and granite worktop. From our designers to our planning team, our engineers, our QSs, our interior design, and the building crew. It's a big team, but we get big results. To our homeowners, we believe we've now transformed your 3-bedroom semi-D into a luxury new home.